Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on GLMR. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that GLMR broke out another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line rallied very well. And it was about to hit this next long-term resistance on. That is, by the way, a quite long-term resistance on that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. Previously, we got rejection here. And now, without hitting this resistance on the price and moved down and tested this support of 39.79, approximately at 40 cents. We have this support. You can see for the past several days it is working as a nice support. Before that, for several days it has been working as a resistance here, and now it is flipped into a very nice support after this breakout. And so far, from this low, when we were testing the support of this triangle up till this high, it rallied almost 50%. And now it has also formed another up channel here as well. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And now, despite this long spike, the pricing is still moving at the resistance, at the support of this channel. And here we got the resistance of this channel. You can see we got rejection here and here and here. And this is the most recent rejection here that has happened 2 or 3 days ago on 4th of March. And now the pricing is testing the support of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this long-term down channel. And at the same time, it has also formed a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. Right now, it is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for DYM, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared the signal on 9th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing the signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a quite massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of GLMR. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And recently, I was showing you this descending triangle. Now we have broken out this resistance of the triangle. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price line could not hit this long-term resistance zone due to the resistance of this up channel. This time, again, it is rejected, and it is possible that while moving inside this up channel, the price line may try to break out the resistance, this resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. By the way, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this descending triangle, the technical target for the breakout is here. That is exactly at this resistance of 64 cents. And if we take a look at the target for the breakout from the channel, then target can be slightly beyond the resistance. If the price will break it out from here, then target can be approximately at 67 cents. And in case of breaking down this channel, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of this channel. That will be approximately at 39.99, approximately at 34 cents. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line is struggling to break out a quite long-term resistance zone that I was showing you here from 55 cents to 64 cents. And when it was moving inside this down channel, in those days, I've been telling you that the target can be here at the top of the channel. Over there, we have a lot of resistance. And you can see that the price line has rallied up to the top of the channel and read that target. And so far from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 293%. Previously, this resistance zone had been working as a support zone here for several weeks. And after the breakdown since after the month of August 2022, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. At the same time, this resistance zone is also working as a neckline of a very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, And here we have the formation of the right shoulder. Right now it is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in case of breaking out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the target for this breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $2.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.